How to say I am tired in Bisaya, Cebuano. There are two ways to say this, guys, okay? The first one is gi ka poy ko. Gi kapoy ko. Another one is kapoy kaayo ko. Kapoy kaayo ko. Okay, the kaayo here is very, okay? Or you can omit the kaayo. You can just say kapoy ko. Kapoy ko. But then if you're really, really tired, you just add kaayo. Or you can add jud, okay, to give more emphasis of your tiredness. Gikapoy jud ko. Or gikapoy jud ko kaayo. Okay, you can combine jud and kaayo. Right? Now let's break this down. Ko again is I. This is very, very common in all my lessons. Ko is I. Okay, if you haven't studied the personal pronouns and the possessive pronouns, I strongly suggest you check on that one. It's very basic. Okay, it's under grammar lessons if you want to check on that. And then tired is gikapoy, okay, or kapoy. Gikapoy or kapoy. And then sometimes some locals will contract kaayo. Some you can hear sometimes that they will say kai, but it is like the fast way of saying kaayo. Okay, an example of that one is kapoy kaiko. Okay, kapoy kaiko. Okay, so it is basically kapoy kaayo ko. Okay, sometimes you might encounter this one. The kaayo is pronounced as kai. Okay, kapoy kai ko. Repeat after me. Let's practice. Gi ka poy. Gi ka poy. Ko. Gi ka poy ko. Now let's practice the second one. Ka poy. Ka a yo. Kaayo. Kapoy kaayo ko. Kapoy kaayo ko. Again, you can combine this with jud. Now, you know how to say I'm tired. All right? Do check out other useful everyday phrases. That's all for today. If you have any requests or if you have any questions, I am just a chat away. There is a chat box that you can use to connect with me. It's okay. I am just behind the scene. Okay. Just chat. Don't be shy. I am just around. Okay. That's all for today. Amping kanunay mga higala. Bye.